For paneer masala, first I am going to make a masala. I have roasted peanuts, roasted coconut powder, roasted coriander seeds, roasted sesame seeds, add methi, jeera, add garam masala, dalchini, 2 ilaichi and few long, some red chili powder. Blend this, add coriander, little water, blend this into a paste. So here the paste is done. Keep this aside. Here I've taken paneer. It's 200 grams and this capsicum. This is optional. So we have to cut this. This is done. Add oil to the pan and slightly get this fried. Get this slightly fried, not golden. Add kalonji to the same pan. Add curry leaves. Add green chilies. Add ginger garlic paste. Add this masala paste. Add water. Add tamarind. Add salt. Add little sugar. Give it a mix. Keep lid. Now add the shallow fry capsicum and paneer. Add little water. Let this get completely cooked. So this is done and now we can serve this. So here the paneer salan or paneer mirch salan is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha recipes. Thank you.